Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to download the ChatGPT app on iPhone. To do this, it's really simple. You have just to go to the App Store, and after that, go to the search bar and type ChatGPT. And as you can see, this is the official app of ChatGPT. Click on it, and after that, if it's already installed on your phone, you will find update, and if it's not, you will find install, that blue icon. You have just to click on it and ChatGPT app will be downloaded on your phone and in just few seconds. And after that, you can open it and start using it. And of course, we created like videos for you on how to create an account and on how to log in to ChatGPT. I hope that this video was useful for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.